given opportunity to me to participate in the function. And Krishna says, Karmanyevadhikaraste mafaleshu kadachana. So do good, think good, talk good, do good. Good will happen. अच्छा सोचे, अच्छा बोले, अच्छा करे, अच्छा ही होगा. That is important. Think good. We call it Trigarana Suddhi. That is Manasekam, Vachasekam, Karmanyekam, Mahatmana. If you think good, if you speak good, if you do good, you will be called not as an ordinary man, you will become Mahatma. So, in this world we are born to achieve some purpose. Do good, serve all, love all, help ever, hurt never. That is the message that we have to get it from God. In fact, सच्चाई से रहना चाहिए, सत्यवादी से रहना चाहिए, सावधानी से रहना चाहिए, साधारण से रहना चाहिए, संतोष से रहना चाहिए, अच्छा मनुष्य से रहना चाहिए. That is a lesson given by the God. So let us all come together, let us all grow together. Sagana bhavatu, sagano punaktu, sagaviryam karabhavai, tejasvi navadi, the mavit vishamahai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You will come up, let us all come together, let us all grow together, let us all help together. Thank you, Sai Ram, Sai Ram.